Welcome to Extreme Web Designs. This is Rocky. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube series playlist. At the end of this video, I'm going to add a couple of bonus tips that you can use to increase your productivity. So make sure that you watch this video till the end. Alright, so go to youtube.com and in the left menu that shows up, click on My Channel. Wait for the page to load and then click on the tab that says Playlists. Once that loads, click on this button that says New Playlist. This will let you create a new playlist. Let's try a sample test playlist. Now let's make this private so that it's not public and that we can use it for testing purposes. Now click on the Create button. As it can be seen here, the playlist has been created for us. If you want to change the name of the playlist, simply hover over the playlist heading, click on the pencil icon and then change, and then click outside. The name of the playlist will be updated. Now if you would like to start a series, all you have to do is click on this button that says Playlist Settings. And in these options over here, make sure that under the Additional Options section, check the option that says Set as Official Series for the playlist. And when you hover over the question mark icon, it will tell you the following note. So what this option essentially says is that once you add a video to this series playlist, it cannot appear in any other playlist. So make sure that you are adding your videos to the right playlist. And make sure that you're changing the playlist privacy to public whenever you are ready to launch your playlist to the public. There are other options such as auto add and collaborate that you can go through, but for the purpose of this playlist creation, it's not required, so you can skip that. Go back to the basic, and from the ordering section, you can choose an option that you like. I'm going to leave it at manual option so that I have the control over the ordering. And if you would like the new videos to appear at the top of the playlist, make sure that you tick the checkbox. I want my videos to appear in the order they were added to the playlist, so I'm going to uncheck this. And then I'm going to click on the Save button over here. Once it is done, click on the Add Videos button and start adding your videos to the playlist. Once you click the button, it's going to show a pop-up that has 3 tabs. The tabs are Video Search, URL, and Your YouTube Videos. This is what you want to click to start adding your YouTube videos to your new playlist. So click on the Your YouTube Videos tab and select the videos that you would like to add to this playlist. In my case, I'm going to scroll down to the videos that I would like to add to this playlist. I'm going to select this and click on Add Video button. I'm going to add one more video to the playlist. And click the Add Videos button. Okay, so as we can see here, the videos are appearing in the order they were added to the playlist. So if I want to rearrange the order, all I have to do is hover over the video of my choice and click on the More button over here and move it as desired. In my case, I want to move it to the bottom and basically swap the position of the second video with the first one. So I'm going to click on Move to Bottom option, and that will rearrange my videos. Click on Add Edit Notes to add any useful notes that you might want for your videos. Now let us verify if this playlist is working correctly or not. Click on Play All. We can see that the order of the videos is preserved and they are appearing in the order that I selected. If you would like to make any more changes to this playlist, you can simply click on this sprocket or the edit icon in the top right hand corner of the screen, and they'll take you back to the playlist page. Now if you want to move things around one more time, you can do that. If you wish to delete any videos from this playlist, all you have to do is hover over the video of your choice and then click on the remove button, which is denoted by the X symbol in the top right hand corner of that video. In my case, I'm going to click this and they'll remove the video from my playlist. So this is how you can create a playlist series and add videos to it. And now for the bonus sections. Let's look at the bonus tip number 1. You can access the playlist in an alternate way. That is, click on this library link in the left hand side menu bar, and then that will get you to the playlist section. If you want to create a new playlist, then simply click on the new playlist button and proceed with entering the details as we have seen earlier. Time for the second bonus tip. You can access the playlist from another section within your YouTube account. Simply visit your Creator Studio page by clicking on the logo in the top right hand corner of the screen and then click on the Creator Studio button. That'll fetch you to the dashboard. Simply click on the Video Manager menu option and then click on the Playlist option under the Video Manager. This will get you to the Playlists page. Now, if you want to create a new playlist, you can simply click the New Playlist button here and then start filling up the information as we have seen earlier. If you would like to see your existing playlist that you have created, you can find it here. In my case, here is the test playlist 11 that I've created earlier. If I want to make any edits to this, all I have to do is just simply click on the edit button on the right hand side of this playlist. So let's go ahead and do that. And that'll fetch us back to this playlist tab which contains the videos. That's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you found this video to be helpful, please feel free to hit the like button, leave a comment, share it on social media, and subscribe to the channel. Soon after you subscribe, make sure you tap the bell icon located right next to the subscribe button to receive all future updates. Thanks for watching.